everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that very much, actually. So today, if you remember, this pipe was stubbed right there at that coupling, and then nothing was here. So it's a short day today, but this is what I got done. So just offsetted back into the valley, continued these two pipes down. You can't really see them unless you keep your eye on it, but this is the HVAC. I kind of switched it onto the same beam as the other one. You can't really see it, but basically I just rolled it onto the same beam because it was too close. It was too close to roll it the other way without hitting the edge of that, so I just rolled it onto the same side. Shoot, no one will ever probably notice, but basically it doesn't matter because another box isn't going there for the lights. So HVAC goes there, and then I can't even see it myself looking through the screen, but actually that's the lighting one I meant. So lighting goes there, HVAC continues, so the lighting will eventually turn right. I just didn't get to that, not working on that right now. Actually this is what I meant, sorry, confusing. So the lights are here on this beam right here, and then I switched the HVAC onto the same beam, if you can see that. So I switched the HVAC onto the lighting beam, but that doesn't really matter. So anyways, that box is like tacked on one side because the floor beams are like that side's high, that side's lower and that side's higher, so it's only tacked on the left side, so it kind of looks slightly bad. But anyways, got those offsetted back into the ceiling, turning the corner right over here. So got the HVAC first, and then the lighting on the outside. So just 90 with a kick down to get 3 inches below there, out of the valley, 3-inch kick out of the valley. And then I didn't get to this one yet, but I have those pipes bent, and then just going under the beam again. So with the 60-60 like I did in the tutorial video, so 60 kick, or 60 bend, 60 bend, and then with the coupling in the middle. So if they need to pull it apart later, they can do that. And then just stopped right there. And I was about to set the box for the next spot, but the end of the day ran out. So that's what I got done today. So this is a 26.5 inch drop on this side, and with a 3-inch valley on that side, it's a 29.5 inch drop. So I have to bend 26.5 inch offset on this side, and then 29.5 inch on that side, and meet them right in the middle. Keep them 2 3/4 off of that beam, and try to keep them as level as possible so it looks good. So anyways, that's what I was working on, and yeah, so that will wrap up my day. I will be doing a live stream here in maybe an hour or two, going over to my friend's house to help him with his electrical, setting a 220 plug in his garage, working into his hot panel. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure to have your notifications on or whatnot, and just stay tuned and keep an eye out for that. So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Stay safe and have fun, and check the description for anything else. And like I said, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. And that should do it. See you guys soon. Peace out.